beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll share with you how I achieve this gorgeous, lovely coils weave using expression braiding hair. I've been wanting to do this kind of DIY weave, but I don't want to do the normal straight weave, so I decided to do the coily one. I use expression braiding hair in color 1. Then you can see what I'm doing. After I finish picking the hair, I use my weave on oil on the hair because I don't want to use normal oil. This weave on hair really make the hair to be soft and smooth. Now you can see I'm using my Brazilian wool. I use only one strand of Brazilian wool, wrapping it on my clothing rack. After I'm done wrapping that on my clothing rack, I'll make sure it's secure very well. Then I'll show you what I'm going to be doing on that Brazilian wool that I wrap on my clothing rack. But before I do that, I make sure I section a little bit amount of hair. Then I use my weave oil. I rub it on a little section. I don't want to take a lot so that it won't get angled. You can see I've already done a little off camera. Now you can see what I'm doing, just taking a little. Make sure you knot it from the back. You can see what I'm doing from the back, not from the front. Make sure you knot it, put the hair from the back, then knot it over. So I will allow you guys to keep on watching. Guys, please do not forget to click on the like button, subscribe, share with your loved ones. I really appreciate that so much. So now I'm going to trim the excess hair. I'll trim it off with my scissors, then I'll brush it down very well. Make sure you brush it down, and please do not forget, make sure the hair you crochet on that Brazilian will make sure they are very close to each other, no space at all. And make sure the hair is very tiny. Then I make sure I trim very well. I use a lot of this my weave on oil because it makes the hair so soft and light. So I'll just apply it on the hair again, then I'll brush it through because you have to detangle this hair very well. Then I'll use my straightener in a very low temperature. Then I'll apply it on the edges of where I crochet the hair on. The main reason why I use Brazilian wool is going to melt with the hair. It's going to melt. That is why I didn't use thread. Brazilian wool is going to melt with the hair I crochet. It's going to hold it better so that it will be easier for me to sew on a wig cap or on my hair. So after I'm done using my straightener, I'm going to go in with my scissors to make sure I trim the excess. I trim any I see. Then I'll go in with my straightener in a very low temperature. Then I'll go in with it. I'll straighten it. After I'm done, I'll brush it, then I'll cut it off. I'm going to tie a knot. I didn't know this place was not really showing. Just form a normal knot, a loop. Then I'll use my straightener to seal the end. That part where I seal the end really show better. I use my straightener in sealing the end. Now I'm going to be wrapping the weave. We are going to be using a rubber band to hold it down to achieve the coils, the bouncing coils. So just brush it through very well. Make sure you detangle it very well. Then I'll use the band to hold it down. I'll use my straightener to go in, just creating it so that it won't be puffy, so that it will be very light. If you want to rock it this way without achieving any coil, you can easily do that. Can you see? This is so light and soft. Now you can see what I'm doing. I took my coiling wand, is what they call it. I usually forgot what they call this coil something on camera. I don't know why. So I'll use it, then I'll wrap it round. Then I'll flatten towards the end. I won't allow it to fold. I'll flatten so it will be easier for me to separate the hair when I'm done. I achieved 2. So now I'll put on now I'll add olive oil, add leave-in conditioner into the hot water, then I'll dip it inside. Do not pour the hot water on this hair if this hair is inside the bowl. Make sure you dip it inside. Now after it's done, make sure it's dried very well. I didn't allow my hair to get dry very well. I was like, I need to do the finished look of this video. So this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to support your girl by clicking on the like button, share with your loved ones. Stay blessed always.